Yeah, good evening all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir, your voice is
Yes,
clear.
you're audible. Yeah.
and thank you. So in the yesterday's demonstration, right, just I was briefing you about why Python. So let us have a quick review what we have discussed. So it's a general purpose programming, any kind of applications we can develop using it. Multi-programming features, right? Multi-programming features like object-oriented features, procedural oriented scripting and modular programming features. High level language, it's easily understandable, human understandable, portable, right? And machine independent, can run on all the hardware and all the operating system. Interpreted language, interpreted, right? Line by line execution. User friendly programming language. User friendly programming or programmer friendly programming language which provides simple syntaxes, right? Which looks like normal English statements, right? And there are two types of languages, I said, like high level and low level. Low level languages not human understandable, they are not portable and machine dependent. But high level languages human understandable, they are portable and machine independent. And machine independent, right? Yes. Python has got procedural oriented programming features, object oriented programming, scripting and modular programming features, right? Yes. Like scripting, many automation scripts we are writing today by using Python, and modular programming, modular 3, right? We have got the concept of modules, 89,300 inbuilt modules, right? 89,300 inbuilt model Python has got for the various domains. Okay, so different models for different environments, right? Different models for data science, big data science, right? For separate models it has got for data science. For big data it has got separate modules. For networking, for testing our test cases, for operating systems, for Oracle database, for MySQL, for SQL Server, for Excel, for PDF, for different types of models we have got, right? For different things, right? Python real-time applications. What kind of applications we can develop today means like web applications, automation applications, big data applications, scientific applications, GUI animation, game development, for scheduling tasks, for testing our test cases, for software development, for business applications, for database applications, for networking applications, for web scraping data from different sites, audio and video applications, embedded applications, the most famous embedded application like Raspberry Pi, which uses Python for its computation. Computer aided designing and computer vision for color detection, face detection, and object detection, right? Robotics and for data analysis, right? Yes. Who are using Python today, and topmost applications built by using Python? Google using Python for its web search system, Yahoo using Python, YouTube using Python for its video sharing service, Instagram built by using Python, Uber, right? Uber pricing algorithm, Quora, Reddit, Pinterest, Okay, BitTorrent using Python for its file sharing service. Maya, a powerful 3D animation which uses Python script. Massively multiplayer online games. Iron Port email server, right? Hardware testing and Dropbox, Netflix, right? All this they use Python. Okay, fine. Reasons which makes Python suddenly super popular, right? Reasons which makes Python suddenly super popular. Very less coding we see in Python. Not even 1/4 coding as compared with other programmings. Simple syntaxes given by Python. Multi-programming features, right? We see in Python, right? Yes. Interactive mode, we can easily interact with Python statement by statement. For every statement, it gives response. Wide varieties of applications. Many built-in libraries. Many built-in libraries, right? Yes. So and today, like just people who are from non-programming or zero programming, right? Can just observe, and also the other can just check how the Python statements look as compared with other programmings, right? Python comparison with other programming, right? Yes. Python comparison with other programming. Yes, I'll take a task and I'll try to implement the task in multiple programming languages, right? Okay, task accepting two values, from the user keyboard, accepting two numbers or two values from the user keyboard, and performing addition, right? Yes, first I'll write using Java, next I'll write using Python, right? Yes, using Java, right? Yes, if you have got knowledge in Java, you can just go through the following code, right? Import java.io.star, right? Class sample, right? Class sample, right? Public static void main, public static void main string aux, throws IO exception. Public static void main, right? Throws IO exception, right? Input stream reader, right? Input equal to new input stream reader. System.in, right? Yes, system.in. Buffered reader BR equal to new buffered reader, right? ISR, right? System.out.println, right? System.out.println. Enter the first number, right? Yes. Enter the first number, whatever number you are entering, right? Yes, taken as string format. Br.readline. So every statement should end with semicolon here in Java, right? So whatever it is taken as string, you need to convert into integer. Int equal to integer dot parseInt. Now see this, enter the second number, right? Copy this, yes. enter the second number, right? Enter the second number, string s2 equal to br dot read line, right? Integer equal to integer dot percent of s2. Integer dot percent, enter the second number, right? Br dot read line int percent of s2, right? Yes. Finally saying system dot out dot println, right? System dot out dot println, right? Finally saying I plus j, right? Yes, this is what the coding in Java. Just I'll take a minute in showing you the execution in both Python and Java, right? Java.io.start class sample stat, okay, input stream reader buffer reader. So just I'll copy this to a separate notepad file, right? I'll copy to a separate notepad file, right? Yes. Paste it. So within this file, save. Right, new folder. Sample.java, right? Sample.java. You can save it, right, using sample dot. Now I'll execute, right? Within the command prompt, right? Within the command prompt, Java C, right? File name sample.java. If are there any errors, yes, not like that. CD first come out of this path. CD Python 7 p.m. batch. Change your directory to Python 7 p.m. batch. Java C file name dot sample dot Java. No errors, right? So say Java sample. Enter the first number 10. Enter the second number 20. Sum is 30. Okay, fine. Next, see, I don't know like how many of you understood this code, right? So it looks little complex to understand, right? So what is public static void main? What is class? Input stream reader, buffer reader, read line, parse int, right? All this, right? It looks little complex to understand, right? So the same code, if you see this, it is going this code like 10 to 12 lines of code. I'll write in Python not more than 3 lines, right? Just observe this coding, right? Yes. File, new file, right? X equal to input, enter value of x. Enter value of x. Input, enter value of y. Enter value of x. Enter value of y. Enter value of x, enter value of y, right? Print x plus y, right? Yes. That's it. This is what the coding in Python. See, this very less coding, easily understandable, right? They look like normal English statements. But here also in Python, whatever we are taking from the keyboard taken as string, we need to convert to integer, say int, right? Keep everything within the int function. Keep everything within the int function, right? Yes. Int of input, enter value of x, input, enter value of y, right? Print x plus y. Save it, Control S. Right? Any name dot py, test1 dot py. I'm taking like test1 dot py. Run module, right? Just run module, enter value of x 10, value of y 20. Sum is what? 30. You got that output 30, right? So very simple syntax is given by Python, right? Value of x, input, enter value of y, print x plus y, right? Yes. I'll show you one more example, right? How the coding of Python looks, right? Yes. So for example, in other programming, you say array of elements. Here, like I am taking some elements like 20, 10, 40, 30. X equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? Yes. Print X means prints the entire list. Print X prints the entire list. Right. If I want to know the number of elements, right? There's a function called len function, len of x. Returns the length, right? Returns the length of it. If I want to know the sum of all these elements, 20 plus 10 plus 40 plus 30 plus 50, print sum of x. Sum of x, right? Yes. Sum 20 plus 10 plus 40 plus 30 plus 50, sum of x. Sum of all the elements. Next, print max of x. Max of x is what? 50. Just save it. Run module. Len of x, len is 5. Sum is what? Sum of all these elements. Max of x 50, min of x. Min is 10, max is 50, sum is sum of all these elements. Print sorted of x, right? Yes. Arranging all these elements in a particular order, right? 10 to 50, right? Yes. Sum is this max, min. This is what sorted order in ascending. If I want in descending, right, print sorted of x, comma, reverse equal to true. Reverse equal to true, right? Yes. Okay. Sorted of x means ascending. The ascending, if you reverse it, you will get in descending, right? Ten to 50, then 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Okay. Now, one more example, right? The importance of modules in Python. Because of modules only, Python has got a great boom. What a module consists of. For example, I'll give an example of one particular module, like math module. Import a math module, right? Yes. I want to see what is present within the math module. Print dir of math. Directory of math module, right? Yes. Maths, right? Dir of maths, run module. All these are present within this math module. So we have got some variables like pi is one variable, e is one variable, right? If you want to print their values, right? So say print math dot pi, print math dot e. So module name dot, okay, math dot pi, math dot e. Run module, right? Yes. 3.14, e is 2.71, right? Pi value is 3.14, e value is 2.71, right? Yes. For example, now there is a functionality. If it doesn't know how to use it within this module, Python is going to help you, right? There is a function square root. You don't know how to use the square root, how to work with it, right? Help on what? Just say help. Math.sqrt. Math.sqrt. Help on math dot run module. Help on built-in function square root in the module math. Square root expecting one value x, it returns the square root of that x. So help you what, right? Help on this particular function square root in the module math. So now you got, right? We are supposed to provide one value x. So within the math xurt of 16, square root of 16. What is the square root of 16? It's 4, right? 4.0. Okay. Similarly, right? Yeah, you want help on any other particular functionality, right? So here square root you got 4 as the output. Any other functional POW, right? POW, right? Yes. Help on math dot POW, right? Yes. Run module, right? Help on built-in function power in the module math. Power, we need to provide two values x comma y, returns x to the power of y, x to the power of y, right? Yes. So within the math module, there is a function called power. We need to provide two values, 10 comma 3 x comma y, right? So it returns 10 to the power of 3, that is 1000, right? In this way, you can work with any module in Python, explore it. I want to generate a graph, right? I want to generate a graph, right? Using Python. It is very simple generating graph, right? We have got a module called matplotlib. Okay, fine. So in the same way, for example, import matplotlib. There is a module called import matplotlib. Import matplotlib module, right? Yes. Yeah. Import matplotlib, plotting and visualizations, right? Within this matplotlib, we have got a built-in property called pyplot. Import matplotlib.pyplot. There is a built-in property within this matplotlib called pyplot. Instead of using this very big name every time, we can use alias name as P or PLT or anything, right? So if you want to generate graph PLT dot plot this PLT, right? Within that we have got a plot function. Plot, for plotting a graph, you require x coordinates 1, 2, 3. I'm taking as x coordinate values, as y coordinates. Now PLT dot show, that's it. PLT dot show, its graph is going to be generated, right? Yes. Run module, right? Observe this, a graph is generated. Very simple, right? You won't see any complex words. Matplotlib is the model name. Within that built-in property pyplot as PLT. 1 5 2 7 2 7 3 4. One 5 2 7 3 4, right? Yes. Okay. For example, age and income is there. Age and income. Age is like this: 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, 60 years. The incomes are like this. For 30 years, 30,000. For 50 years, 35,000. For 60 years, 50,000. For 30,000. For 40, 50, 35,000. For 60, it is 50,000, right? Yes. Yeah, that's fine. Now check this, right? Run module. A graph is generated in this way. Yes. For 30,000. For 40,000. For 50, 35,000. And for 60, it is 50,000. 30,000. For 40, it is 40,000. For 50, it is 35,000. Right? For 60, it is 50,000. Okay. Fine. Now, for example, if you see the graph, there is no labels for the graph: x-axis label, y-axis label, and the title for the graph, right? Yes. No x-axis label, y-axis label, no title for it, right? Yes. So what I do, plt.x label, age I'm saying, plt.y label, salary, plt.title, right? So it's simple title, title, right? Sample graph in this way, right? Yes. Run model, right? Yes. Normal graph you are going to get. See that age as x coordinate, salary as y coordinate, sample graph, right? But this graph in blue color, solid graph, right? But I doesn't want solid graph. So just keep comma here and say underscore underscore. You will get in dotted format, but different shapes you can get. We have got many abbreviations. So you got a dotted line, right? I doesn't want blue, I want red color. Again, give comma here and say color equal to red. That's it. COLOR color equal to red color, right? That's it. In this way, you can work with any types of graphs. In this, yeah, yes. Color equal to red. Run module. What? Yes, fine. So in this way, just I was showing you some examples. The graph math module I showed you, right? Generating graphs I showed you, right? some example. Java and Python, right? The coding of Python looks like normal English statements, right? This is the course content I will be discussing, right? Yes. So in brief, in depth, we'll be discussing about this. So starting with Python basics, core Python, like basic level to the advanced level, we'll be discussing, right, in brief, in depth. So you can once again go through that course content, right? So it is, you can see that demo videos, yesterday demo video, if anyone not in that, and also you can see the course content. Payment details is provided in the chart panel. You can see that course content will be forwarded to your mail ID, right? So in brief, in depth, like 70 hours Python course like Python core advanced application oriented, like different models related to different domains. And plus, if you want to go for full stack, Python core advanced HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and Django and applications creations. Tomorrow at 10 o'clock, also a Django batch is going to start. Weekend batch. It's a weekend batch, right? Yes. Yeah, any questions you got, you can go with your queries, right? Tomorrow also, you can attend the session same time at 7 o'clock using the same link to see more on this, right? Yes, fine. So yes. Any queries you got?
Vijay,
Yeah.
I couldn't. This is my first session, so I'll watch the yesterday's session. So this is solid 75 hours, right? Nothing extension. Any chance that it will extend more, or we can complete it within 35 core and
No.
advance?
Yes. Already we have taken many hours, right?
Oh yeah. Okay.
It's not like 40-45 hours. We'll go with 75 hours. First itself, it is I'm intimating, right? So
Yeah.
it will be like 70 to 75 hours course, right? In brief,
Okay.
in depth, we'll be discussing like even some models related to operating system, some models related to database, some models related to data science, some related to big data, some
Okay.
related to graphics. Everything will be covered, and how to create our own modules and how to explore different modules, right? Different
So
ways of importing, renaming, reloading, all this will be
right.
discussed.
Right.
Yes.
So post this course, I can be, very well comfortable in Python programming as well as scripting in different
Yes.
automation,
Yes.
etc. Okay,
Yes.
great,
Yes.
great, Vijay. Thank you. So the
Yeah.
other question is like when you're talking about Django at 10 o'clock in the morning, can this done be parallelly? Because we are just starting Python, right? So how
Yes.
about if I
First, why?
join
Because
Django also?
by the time Django won't be started immediately, right? First HTML, like
Oh, okay,
CSS will be discussed.
okay.
HTML, CSS, JavaScript, these things will be discussed before we go
Mm,
with Django, right? So it
mm,
doesn't require any programming knowledge for that.
okay. So we can take it up parallelly, the two programs.
Yes. Program like you can go with parallelly. So as I said, right? Yes. Once again, I'll show you this course content if anyone, right? 1 second. Hello. Okay. Python basics, Python operations, operators in Python, Python IDs, real-time use different IDs like Anaconda distributions, Jupyter, Spider, PyCharm, Eclipse, NetBeans, right? Flow control statements, looping statements, strings, collections, Python list, tuples, sets, dictionaries, functions in Python, modules in Python, packages in Python, errors and exceptions, file handling, right? Object-oriented programming, regular expressions, database access, Python data and time, advanced concept, GUI programming, Excel workbook, data analytics, data science, Pandas model, NumPy model, and Matplotlib. Django, right? Introduction, web frameworks, Django installation, project architecture, application creation, views, templates, admin models, advanced concepts in the nearly 20 applications creations, and UI technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, right? So as I said, yes, Python, right? Discuss Python core advanced application oriented for all this like 75 hours. So it's just 5K is the fee structure. It's an offer batch. And apart from this, who go for full stack, right? Along with this Python, you will be given like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and apart from this, like Django, right? Applications creations plus one project. For all this, the fee structure so just 5K. Previously, it was 7K. Yeah, any more queries you got?
That's it, Vijay. Thanks for the orientation.
So Python and Django fee is 10K. Only Django is 6. Only Python is 5. Combinedly both is 10.
Vijay, I have a question regarding tomorrow class. So there will be only one batch for Django tomorrow, like only 10 o'clock batch.
10 o'clock to just tomorrow, like 1.5 hour class will be the introduction, right? Tomorrow just introduction. From next week onwards will be starting with the
Actually, I'm joining from UK, so it will be around 4:30 in the morning at the time. So I want a later class, maybe 8 o'clock or something. So is there any batch?
no. One thing. Once you get enrolled, right, you can attend any of my batches which are starting later also, right?
Okay, so there will be
any Django batch starting in the future also, you can attend it, right? Not only this.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah, because so I will get the videos, right? For tomorrow class, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Vijay, one final question. Sorry, you're done?
Yeah.
The UK lady.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. So just one question about the schedule. Like we are fixed at 7 p.m. in the night for Python and core. No further changes, right? So that I can accommodate my timings.
Yes.
Right. Okay. That sounds pretty good. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Fine. So tomorrow there will be a session. Yeah. 1 second. Tomorrow at 7 p.m. we'll be having a session, right? Same link, same time to see more on this, right? Yes. Any query? What?
Vijay, one more thing. So this is a demo class, right? Today is also the demo class.
Yes. So and, again, this won't be these things won't be repeated, right? It will be continued. This is session 2. Tomorrow will be session 3.
Okay. So how many session, like how many demo session will be there?
Tomorrow you can attend, Monday you can attend. From Tuesday the link will be changing, right?
Okay. Yeah.
4 sessions yesterday, today, tomorrow, and Monday we will be providing, right? Can attend
tomorrow on the same time, right? 7 o'clock.
Same.
Yeah.
Same time, right?
I have one question. For web application development, which one is best, Python or Java? Web-based application.
See one thing. So Java is there, Python is there, right? Python, you can develop any application using Python or Java. Both are programming languages only.
Okay.
But what is Java requires a lot of huge codings will be there. Just now I showed you one example to just add 2 numbers, 12 lines, but in Python 3 lines, right? The same way web applications creations also in Python, already all the .py files will be available. We don't need to write huge codings now. Very less coding you see. That's the advantage, right? And at a rapid speed, you can develop an application, right? And Python has got its own database available, its own application server available, many flexible features it is providing, right? So these days, Python web application, Python is mostly used in web applications creations, right? Yeah.
Thank you.
Fine.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I ask you a question on the chat box, sir. Can you take it?
1 second. Yeah, can you please repeat it, right?
Sir, so like I said, if I purchase the Django and the UI application, of course, after some time, will I get the live classes or the recorded videos?
Yeah, you'll be getting it once you get enrolled, right? You can attend my live class. Once you people get enrolled, right, in my Python or Django, you can attend my Python classes, right? And if you want to re-attend any, also you can re-attend in any of my Python batch.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So because of some timing issue, if you are unable to carry on with the same timing, if you want to go to morning timing, right? In morning, my batches are that also you can attend. You need to intimate, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Fine. So still, okay, if you've got any queries, you can ask in the tomorrow session also. So I'm running out of time. We'll meet tomorrow, same time, right? Thank you all for your time. Thank you. Meet you tomorrow.